Hi, I'm Manish Kumar, certified Pranic Healing instructor, co-founder of Healing Buddha Bangalore. Today we'll talk about heart ailments and its healing. Now, what are the common heart ailments? So the most common heart ailments are again partial heart block, coronary artery disease, where we go for angioplasty to implant stent or balloon. Then cardiac arrhythmias, irregular heartbeat, rheumatic heart, defective valve, enlarged heart, congenital heart disease or the disease from the birth. Now, all these heart ailments share common symptoms, which are fatigue, palpitations, chest pain, swelling in leg or feet, shortness of breath, confusion, muscle weakness, and others also. Now, who are at risk related to heart ailment? It is very important to understand the people who are vulnerable to develop heart ailments. And those are mainly people having hypertension, high cholesterol, diabetes, obesity, stress, smoking, genetics. Right? Now, talk about quickly on hypertension. So, hypertension affects the arteries by reducing the elasticity of the arteries, and that in result put more pressure on the heart to pump the blood, and that leads to other complications related to heart, whether thickening of the valve or with the heart. High cholesterol, we understand that plaque can deposit and block any of the arteries, leading to different complications related to heart ailment or cardiovascular system. Same as diabetes and other also. Now, from energy point of view, how we approach healing. So in healing, we say that our body has two parts. First is the visible physical body, and which we can touch and feel. And the second is invisible energy body, which interpenetrates our physical body and extends beyond our physical body. Any ailment, any disease happens to our physical body, always having effect on the energy body. Any medications, treatment, therapy taken, right, on the physical body affects significantly on the physical body, not much on the energy counterpart. However, the smart thing is to integrate the treatment with the physical, the medications or therapies along with the energy healing, so that the physical body is addressed, the energy body is addressed. When both are integrated together, the relief or from any of the issues or the recovery from any ailment is accelerated many times. Sometimes it looks miraculous. Now, how we deal with ailment, heart ailment from the energy point of view. So we know that if heart ailment is the physical heart has to be addressed. For the physical heart, we have a energy center called heart chakra, which controls energizes the physical heart. Now, apart from the addressing only the heart, we need to understand what are the other organs or the systems which supports the functioning of the heart, like kidney. Kidney is very important, in fact, the organ which supports the functioning of the heart by maintaining the right amount of electrolytes. Same is the thyroid gland or say thyroid hormones that also support the functioning of the heart, the liver, right? And as such. So when all these organs are also included and addressed to support the functioning of the heart along with the addressing the heart itself, the healing gets more holistic, wholesome, and the recovery is super fast. It's very important to understand in-depth knowledge about the heart ailment, other organs, what other uh, ailment the person has, so that when you do the healing, it is addressed properly. And in many cases, the heart ailment is psychosomatic in nature. That means there are deep-seated emotional reasons which has been nurtured by the patient for many years, which has contributed to this ailment itself. So in healing, we do psychotherapy to remove such emotional reasons as well, and that it supports the recovery much better. Now another question many of my clients ask, that is healing recommended for people who have undergone heart surgeries? Yes, the reason being is After the successful heart surgery, the patient has to take medications, mostly the blood thinner, certain blockers, right? Now, this medication has an effect on the immunity, okay? And another very important thing to understand is when the heart functioning is compromised, the other organs which are associated with supports are also get affected. Like I mentioned, kidney, the liver, even the brain gets affected, right? So to continue the healing even after surgery is very important so that any underlying ailment or complications which are getting developed with weak heart can be minimized or avoided completely. I have many cases of healing heart ailments where the after surgery their health has improved, the medication has reduced. Even there are many cases where the person was supposed to go for angioplasty and other complicated procedure, but because of certain reasons they could not go for surgery, and with the healing itself they was completely healed. Surgery was completely avoided, and when they get for the next round of tests. Now at Healing Buddha, we do thorough healing for our clients, taking complete case history of client, prepare a well-curated healing schedule, regular feedback and updates, provide counseling, lifestyle suggestions, and emotional support as and when required. We at Healing Buddha are result-oriented healing center and have many successful cases where overall health and lifestyle has improved for our client. You can also visit our website and see so many testimonials which are very encouraging to read from different patients who have really recovered and healed through healing. We are present in media. You can always contact us for any consultation. Thank you.